Osita is a 2010 Lagoon 380, exceptionally well maintained, meticulously upgraded and equipped for comfortable, self-sufficient cruising. Spacious living areas, excellent stability, new standing rigging, new premium electronics, new Victron, new Lithium and solar. Osita is a must-see for anyone seeking a ready-to-go catamaran with modern upgrades and no deferred maintenance. Contact the listing broker today to schedule your private viewing and experience Osita firsthand.